Hey everyone, just got off the Niagara Falls boat tour, and wow, what an experience! One among the best waterfalls you can visit. We started by gliding past the American Falls, which looked massive up close, then right beside the delicate Bridal Veil Falls, super pretty, like a curtain of water. But the real highlight, heading straight into the mist of the Horseshoe Falls. You can literally feel the power of the water all around you. Poncho or not, you're getting soaked. It's only about a 20-minute ride, but honestly, it's pure adrenaline and breathtaking views from start to finish. Definitely a must do if you're visiting Niagara.